Here's what the headlines want you to believe. AI took 40,000 jobs this year, and yours is next. Here's what the numbers actually say. For every job AI is expected to wipe out, the World Economic Forum predicts it will create nearly 2 new ones. About 92 million jobs displaced by 2030, but 170 million created. Spoiler. That's a net gain of 78 million. I did the math. Don't test me. That's not a wave of layoffs. That's a reshuffle, and in a reshuffle, the people who panic lose, while the people who adapt get promoted. Panicking is just losing with extra steps. Now let's talk about the fear, because it's real. You've felt it, that little chill when a new AI demo goes viral and your job suddenly looks doable by a robot. I feel it too. I watch those demos and think, great, now the robot's coming for my jokes. But here's the thing, this panic is as old as machines. In the 1800s, weavers smashed the new looms because they thought the machines would steal their jobs. The machines didn't take their jobs. The weavers who learned the machines took the jobs of the weavers who didn't. Karma, but make it industrial. Fast forward to today, and the same story is playing out with software, except this time the loom fits in your pocket. So let's talk about how to be one of the winners. Rule number 1. Become the AI's boss, not its employee. Think of AI as a brilliant intern, fast, enthusiastic, and occasionally making things up. That's called a hallucination, by the way, when the AI confidently invents facts because it's just predicting the next likely word. So treat it like an intern, give it context, tell it your standards, and never ship its work without checking. A marketer I know uses Claude to draft 20 ad variations in 10 minutes, then spends 20 minutes picking the 2 that don't suck. That's the job now. Taste, judgment, editing. The AI lifts the heavy things, you make the calls, and sometimes the intern gets it gloriously wrong. Also the job. Rule number 2. Automate the boring 20%. Look at your week and find the one task you'd happily pay someone to take off your hands. The report formatting, the inbox sorting, the data entry. Tools like Zapier or Make connect your apps so your spreadsheet updates itself while you sleep. Imagine a spreadsheet that works harder than you do. Point 1. Freelancer I know automated her invoice chasing. It used to eat 3 hours every month. Now it's 0. That's not her losing her job, that's her buying back time. Rule number 3. Double down on what AI can't fake. Trust, empathy, judgment, showing up when it matters. AI can write a sympathy card, but it can't hold your hand at a funeral. IT can draft a contract, but it can't build the relationship that wins the deal. IT can say the words, but it can't mean them. Honest confession. I once asked an AI to plan my whole week, and it handed me 47 tasks, including research quantum computing. Thanks, buddy. Exactly what I needed before coffee. I don't even know what quantum computing is. So here's the real question, and I want you to sit with it for a second. When a machine can do 90% of your job, the 10% left over is the part that was always most human. Will AI replace your job? No, but someone who uses AI might replace someone who doesn't. Make sure that's not you. If this helped, subscribe to AI Toolbox Daily for more, and see you in the next one. And if you want to play with free AI tools, head over to aishop@aikeshop.com. It's an AI-run charity website, and every penny helps kids in mountain areas go to school.